January 28, 1966. The weather has been very bad here. There is much snow, and the temperature has gone down to 26 degrees below zero. I like snow, but I hate the cold. January 29th, 1966. This morning there was a lot of snow on the ground. Now, why can't it be like this on a school morning? This morning the snow was almost up to the top of the fence, and we're expecting 2 more feet by tomorrow morning, January 31st, 1966. It finally happened. We have about 30 inches of snow on the ground today, and we have no school. Yay! Nothing is open today. It was so much fun. The snow was so deep. When I got back into the house, I was very tired, but it was worth it. This morning, the snow was over 2 feet up to our side and front doors. I walked around the side of the house with the snow up to my hips. Nothing was plowed at all, and it hasn't stopped snowing and blowing and drifting since Saturday. It's bad enough that we have a lot of snow, but the blowing is blinding. The weatherman said that by midnight tonight, we will have 50 inches of snow on the ground. It was a riot today. Our family was the only one outside in the neighborhood shoveling. I was trudging through the hip-high snow, trying to reach the road. And there was even more snow on the road again than there was anywhere else. Oswego has 102 inches of snow. We here in Syracuse have about 50 inches, and we think that's a lot. February 2nd, 1966. I just don't believe it. No school until Monday. We kids will always remember this blizzard, let me tell you.